Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to be doing So today I'm starting out with all my leftover paints from last week's Friday's pour with friends. And my base coat here is the yellow. And that was I believe it was Artist Loft, metallic yellow, and it was Master's Touch, pearl yellow. They were mixed together, and all these paints were very, very thin. So you're going to see the surprise results that we get at the end here, because the paints were all very thin. And I'm going to pouring in my cup right now, and I'm doing a dirty pour. And just going to put some music on because this really is a very quick video. And you are going to love the results at the end.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Shine. Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So now I'm just torching the painting, and lo and behold, I slowly see the yellow cells coming up. And little by little, they're all appearing. First, I start seeing all these yellow cells appearing. So that was the base coat that I put down. That was the yellow. And don't forget, these are all thin paints. So I wound up with they're very small cells. They're very small pearls, but they do look like pearl cells to me. So maybe you can help me figure this out. Are they pearl cells, or are they just plain old cells? I don't know. So please leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about this. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and it'll notify you when I put a new video up. So here's a close-up of the wet results. It's a little blurry. I don't know why. I don't know what happened there to my phone. Have a little glare. I apologize for that, but you can just see all those beautiful colors. There's all those yellow cells that came up from the base coat. And then you do have there's other cells if you look in between. So I'll be back on Friday with friends, with Tiffany, Lance, and Cindy. In the meantime, I'll be signing off, and I'll see you soon. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Be well and be safe out there. Bye-bye now.